Good morning, students. I am Nivedita Singhdeo of Marwadi College English Department. Today I am going to take your online classes for English core, that is of 100 marks. We have started the book V Stars and we have completed up to lesson number 6. In previous video, we have started lesson number 7 and continued. Today, we will continue the chapter and conclude the chapter in this video. V-Stars, lesson number 7, Ivan's Tries and O-Level by Colin Dexter. Main characters: Ivan's, governor, secretary of the examination board, invigilator Stuart McClary, prison officers Jackson and Stephen, German language teacher. As we have known in the previous videos, a story about Evans, who is a prisoner and wanted to give examination. All the preparations were done for him. Special preparations were arranged for him in the cell so that he can give exam, and no one should be hurt or he cannot break away from the prison cell. All the two officers were uh, appointed to take charge of that situation. But after, when exam was over, they found that McClary was wounded and Evans was not in the cell. After taking such precautions, how can it happen? The governor had himself come there and inquiries everything. And getting all the information, he said that Evans had beautifully laid the plan. In last line, we have seen that when they inquired about McClary, they found that McClary was not out of his Board Street home. He had been there since 8:15 a.m. So everybody understood what had happened. After this, Evans walks up to the reception desk of the Golden Lion Hotel. He had to do a long and tricky operation. He was lucky that Jackson did not take his hat off. Sticking a beard was one of the worst things. Evans now collects his keys. He asks for an early morning call at 6:45 a.m. He himself whistles softly to him. He thanks God that everything has gone beautifully smoothly. He unlocks his bedroom door and then stands frozen at the spot. Sitting on the bed was the governor. Evans is visibly shaken. For several minutes there is utter silence. He is beaten in his own game. He tells that the correction slip killed two little birds with a single stone. It gave the name of the hotel for Evans and the exact time the exam started. Then Evans asked how the governor could locate the hotel in which he was staying. The clue came from the paper itself. Evans wrote index number 313, center number 271. The six-figure reference 313 by 271 landed him there. The governor stands up. He asks Evans to tell him how he got all that blood to pour over his head. Evans replies that it was pig's blood from the slaughterhouse. But to stop it from clotting, he had to mix actual blood. In the end, the governor asked how he could manage to plan all this business. Evans replies that he has many friends. The German teacher is one of them. A silent prison officer handcuffs the recaptured Evans. He does not resist. Two men clambered into the back seat of the prison van. The governor says farewell to him like a good old friend. But Evans has the last laugh. The prison van turns right on the Oxford Road. The silent prison officer unlocks Evans' handcuffs. He asks the driver to move on to Newbury. Thus, Evans moves on to freedom. The driver of the van was Evans' own man. He proves that the governor was a fool. He was only good for a giggle. So, this is the end of the chapter. This is the end of lesson number 7 from V Stars.